This is a different shirt than the one I just... Cast iron pans. Apparently they're the best, right? Everyone says this is the best way to sear a steak. But they're just so gosh darn hard to clean, right? I think I found a pretty simple way of doing this. So of course, if you're cooking with cast iron, the easiest thing to do is to clean it right after cooking. But what happens if you do, let's say, sear 10 steaks on 3 different pans, and then you want to go out and eat it, enjoy it right away? You let the old stuff burn up and kind of cool off, and now they're all sticky and they're hard to clean. What do? I got the perfect tool for this. So what you're gonna need is a stainless steel chainmail scrubbing thing. And I'm not talking about one of these. One for one. You need one of these. Now, I don't have any affiliate links down below for you to buy this, but I will sell this to you, or you could just get it yourself. So let's see how this works. Come down with me. So this is our current situation here. We got some grossness happening on our pans. Seared a bunch of steak, some burnt pepper, some burnt garlic powder, some burnt steak, really. You can see even here how we got, it's dry and it's gross. I don't know, how are we gonna clean this? First thing we wanna do, we're gonna heat this up till it gets just about smoking. So let's turn on our burners. And then we're gonna get our water and get that to as hot as it'll go. The trick behind this is once these get hot, once they start to smoke a little bit, we know this is hot enough. We're gonna put it in with our water, and our hot water is gonna create some steam. You can't use cold water because that may crack these. Using hot water will create steam, lifting up some of our grossness. And then we use our buddy here, and this will clean it right off. So if you got some of these silicone oven mitts, these are great. We'll take this. Little bit of soap. Everything comes right off. Next. No burn marks, nothing. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And almost no effort at all. Lastly, we turn on our burner to kind of evaporate any of the leftover water. Of course, you want to dry these off by hand as much as possible. And once they are dry, always get some oil on these. Now, you don't have to go full on seasoning. I'm lazy, so just some spray oil is good enough for me. You just want to wipe these down, and that's it. You got your cast iron pans all nice, shiny, and clean. So cleaning a cast iron pan, it's really not that hard. All you need is some heat, some hot water, and this bad boy. Yes, you could use soap. Soap these days aren't gonna kill your seasoning. Yes, the better your seasoning of your pans are, the easier it is to clean. And if you want me to talk about how to season a cast iron skillet in another time, don't tell me what to do. So hopefully this video was helpful in any shape, form, or way. Probably not. Now a word from my sous chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to VinhTheKitchen. He's gonna make us chef, and hit that subscribe button and make sure the bell gray.